Welcome to our channel Rosemary Jasmar. In this video we have one of Turkish dishes, Fellah Kofta, a very different recipe and super delicious. Here in a mixing bowl I have fine bulgur 2 cups and pour over the bulgur 2 cups of warm water. Cover to let rest for about 15 minutes. Wait until the bulgur absorbs the water and soften. Now the bulgur soaked up all the water. I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. I'm adding fine semolina 1 cup. To get that nice color, adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of pepper paste, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of flour. Now I'm adding the spices, some cumin, goes great with our kofta, some black pepper and the salt. I'm going to give everything a good mix needed for 5 to 8 minutes until I get a dough-like consistency. Now we are going to shape the balls. I have a small piece, rolling it to give it a smooth round shape, then lightly pressing down on it like this, putting them on a tray, spreading with the flour. So here I have water that's boiling right now. I'm putting a good amount of salt in it, fresh rosemary and star anise. Now I'm gonna boil the bulgur balls, cook them. When they begin to float, that means they are ready to be removed from the water. This first batch are ready. I'm going to take them out of water. Now the second batch of bulgur balls are ready as well. It's time to start making the sauce. In a pot I have 1 teacup of olive oil. Now I'm adding the tomato with pepper paste. This much of olive oil might seem a lot to you, but it's not. The bulgur loves olive oil and it's going to soak it up. Add in sliced garlic. Fresh tomato juice, adding spices, some black pepper, salt and cumin. I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes and we will continue. Time to get bulgur balls here. Let them absorb this beautiful sauce. And just making sure that the bulgur balls is coated with the sauce. Turning off the heat and ready to transfer them to a serving plate. And for the final part, sprinkling some parsley on top. As you can see, they are looking great. Give it a try. Very healthy and delicious. Please do subscribe for our channel.